from the Aim and Achieve sisters, and today we have some special guests.
Hello. Hi. My name is Nina.
My name is Gia.
Yeah, and they're going to be helping us make our, what are we making?
We are going to be making some icing for these cupcakes that we made earlier.
We made
We
these
didn't
cupcakes.
really, we wanted it to be, it looked really nice in the cake batter.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, but don't worry, because we are going to be adding our icing, which we can do in any colour, or we can just do it in like a normal, like
White.
plain colour, just to cover it. And when you open it, it will be it will be a nice vibrant turquoise
So
colour.
we need to choose what colour we're going to do. So I think we should do some pink.
This colour,
I think, yeah, let's do some blue then. Let's do
blue.
So you're going to need some icing sugar and water.
Yes.
Okay, so we've got some icing sugar
Icing
and some
sugar.
water. So we're going to add the icing sugar.
We've got this icing sugar. It's basically a cup, and we've got a cup of water. So we're gonna
Add some icing sugar in.
add all
And then,
that.
just
little.
put a little bit. Like,
Yeah. So
I want to mix then.
So wait, let's make
So
it's not,
basically, it's kind of like this gooey mixture. That means we need to add more, so every single bit of icing sugar is covered. And don't worry if you add too much water, because you can always add some more icing sugar. So guys, do you want to add sprinkles into our mixture on top?
Let's do it on top. We can add a bit of the caramel
Yeah.
in it. So
Right.
we'll check the
This is a
consistency.
bit watery.
So let's add a bit more, like add a spoon of icing sugar.
Yep, a spoon of ice. We are using this caramel. It's a syrup though, so
So
it
you can use it in like coffees and stuff in a cap. And then I'll
put it in the cup.
Put a bit too much.
Just
A dot of food colour.
Just a dot, because a little goes a long way.
Yes.
A little goes a long way.
We've literally just added a little dot of food colouring, because a little does go a long way, and it's going a long way right now.
This comes it comes a lot out.
Yeah.
Add some gold dust as well.
Yes. Okay.
No, not in it.
Guys.
Hi.
So we are adding this rainbow stardust, which is basically
Just like gold, edible golden dust.
It's
Okay.
gold.
So does one of you want to put a pinch of this in?
Oh, that's a big pinch, alright.
So we've got this here, and Nana's just mixing it in, adding a little bit more, and as you can see, it's a bit marble. It's got a bit of marble effect on it.
I'm gonna put a bit more because it's like going away as I'm mixing it all in.
Okay.
I think. So it kind of looks like, you know, in Jasmine, she has like the Aladdin, and then she has golden
Yeah, she's got
things on
shimmery.
it. Shimmery golden things.
Right. Do you think
That's
we should add these or hundred and thousands? I think we should add 100.
I think we should add a bit of the gold dust as well because we've already got a bit in here. So let's add a bit
Yeah.
more.
What about hundreds? Wait.
Oh, it's
So you can see that.
Spot the difference. Right.
Yeah, mostly.
It was
I'm just
a marble
drizzling
that I
it
was
on.
hungry.
I'm just drizzling it on and spreading it out.
Oh, it's nice shimmery.
It's really nice and shimmery. Well done, guys, for the shimmer.
Hi guys, so
We are done.
And we made a huge mess
Yeah, huge mess.
Over here. Oh, yeah, it's perfect.
Right, so we have done it. We have done it.
We have done
Cheers, everybody.
They look really, really nice. Make sure to try out this recipe.
At home.
Yes.
And remember to tidy up after you finish, or
Yeah.
else your parents will get very mad.
They'll be like, hey!
And also, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe with my fabulous guests.
So now we are going to test the cupcakes.
As you can see, there's some white chocolate chips there.
Yes. Ready? Steady. Go.
I want 8 more.
We were already ate it. That's really good.
Remember to check this recipe out.
It's really good. As you can see, there's some white chocolate in there.
Yeah. It's good.
I can taste a hint of caramel in both the sponge and the icing.
Yes, as we added a bit.
Chocolate chip. It's very well.